come along with me for a day in the salon. I've got a blue wave and then 2 colours. Just dropped the kids off at daycare. I had a shocking sleep last night, so I am so tired. But that's just mum life, I think. Oh. It's a Wednesday and we're all in the salon today, so I really like Wednesdays because it's a bit busier, even though it is still chill because we do only work one-on-one with our clients. Like, it's nice when there's multiple of us working with our clients. And then next week I'm in Melbourne for a couple of days again. I've got another brunette workshop, and then I'm staying because I'm gonna organize some content. I'm gonna do my chatty video with Emma and maybe organize a few other people to go meet up with to do a few more of the chatty videos. And then I've got a launch event for a new brand that Henkel is now supplying, and that seems like it's gonna be pretty cool. The description or dress code of what to wear was like chic but elegant with a contemporary twist. I'm like, what the heck do I wear? Ooh, like, what do you wear to that? And since when do invitations be so precise with what to wear? But I guess that'll be good because then everyone will be like, no one will come dressed casual, we'll all be dressed up, which will be nice. I was actually only going to go down for the workshop only, but then because the launch night ended up being the next night, I was like, what are the odds? I'm still keeping with what I said, how I'm gonna make my trips a bit smarter, and I'm not gonna do like multiple little trips. I'm gonna try and keep them bigger and jam pack as much as I can into my trips. So far we are winning. So far I bet you it'll get to the end of the year and I'll end up doing like 2 trips to Melbourne in a week, because that's what happened at the end of last year. Things just couldn't quite work out, and something would be on a Monday, then something would be on a Friday, but then it was just too long to stay the whole time. Although that is happening end of June, because on a Monday I've got to be in Sydney, and then on the Saturday going to Sydney for hair festival. Yes, I probably could have stayed the 4 days, but it's only Sydney. Like, it's only an hour flight. Like, it's so fine. If it was over in Perth or something, or like a longer flight, Queensland, I would definitely be like, all right, I'm just gonna stay for the week. But it's literally only Sydney, so I'll go there on the Monday, fly back Monday night, and then go back on the Saturday. That's just going to be my life for the rest of the year. One of my goals this year was to just really do everything and do as much as I can in the education world with the brands that I work with, and just really like immerse myself into the industry in a different way rather than just being in the salon every day. So I've been loving it so far. It's so nice to travel around and meet some incredible hairdressers. Not only do I get to inspire other people, but it also like ignites my passion and keeps me inspired. So I'm incredibly grateful for the brands that I work with. I'm a guest artist for Schwarzkopf and ambassador for Excellent Edges and Brazilian Bomb Builder, and I'm so grateful and so lucky to have these roles, and yeah, I just really love it. I'm gonna try and bring you along for as much as I can. YouTube is harder to film. I don't know why. I think it's just harder to film and edit, whereas like TikToks and Reels, it's easier. We'll try and film some vlogs. If you are enjoying this kind of content, like, please like and comment and let me know that you're liking it, so then it'll motivate me to keep going. But yeah, I'm at the salon, so let's go. We got some clothes from Edge again, so I've got the clothes. The pants do need hemming, but you girls got no time to get them hemmed, so I will just wear them folded up for the content and then get them hemmed after. But I got the A brand jeans and a white tee, and then I got a black coat as well too, so we'll film that content today. Dana's in charge. She's the creative director for that one. Oh, there you are.
Hey.
How you feeling?
Oh, I look good.
Huh?
I was kidding. I said I look really good.
So Dana's creative directing the Edge shoot, and Liney's going to be in trouble because she's not wearing her jeans today.
Am I really?
No. Been listening to The Lion King.
Why would you put it up there?
Because Charlotte loves it, so I was literally like, needs no worries for the rest of your day.
I've never actually looked at that.
It's a problem-free philosophy.
Wait, who sings that?
Hakuna Matata.
Who sings that?
Lion King.
Maybe keep it that way.
You're so savage.
Okay, that's
But you're so cheeky about
that's
it.
my favourite joke.
Do we need the heater on for a little bit? Do we need the heater on? We just quickly filmed the TikTok for Edge. I really need to get a size up. So I'll just go in and see if I can swap it for a 9 because it's just very, very tight. I love them. These are the A brand ones. And quickly get changed and keep doing Brits hair. Dana's giving Forrest Gump vibes today. It's lunchtime and I was not organised. So I'm just gonna pop to the supermarket and I'm gonna get like a Caesar salad, I reckon. We got the goods.
Weird because I had a dream last night that you got another spider bite.
What?
And it was behind your ear though in my dream.
What's on your hair?
I'm not drying it.
Did you put the boxes in the bin?
Yeah, because I didn't have photos. Would it help?
My client said I really need a coffee.
A while before.
I'm like, I'm not fine.
Yeah, just 20 minutes.
You're red.
Yeah, I've been itching it. I get a heat rash.
Yeah. I'm in a giggling mood and I'm literally crying.
No.
Do what you did.
Did I do that to each other? I think I used the blanket. How do you feet, idiot? You can really see you move. Yeah, how can you do something? Shut up, Dana. I didn't even say anything. That's delicious.
It was horrible. You suck.
You Charlotte.
Yes, 'cause she's
Just little. Show me that.
like,
I was trying to get your
No, you-
attention at the basement. That was funny.
so it was fun. We have to tell them. We have to say it. I was watching my client at the basin and Lani's next to me like
I was trying to get her attention without interrupting.
I'm like, and then I'm like, what do you want?
Yeah, so it was actually
It
more
was worse.
interrupting. It was actually worse. And then the poor client was like, huh? What's going on? And I was wetting myself. You were wetting your pants.
You know how it's the real where it's like when the hairdressers are laughing at the back and you think they're laughing at you, the clients probably thought we were laughing at them.
Probably, because I was being it.
You could just wear a white t-shirt under it.
I actually
That
so
would
could.
actually be really
That
cute.
feels fine. I know it does. I didn't
Are
say
you
it
scared
didn't.
it's going to be too tight?
No, I just wanted to be teenage.
Yeah, but it's literally like a 1 second video.
Alright, take her now.
You don't have the pants on. Genius.
Edge top. Fashion.
Right in the middle.
Emma's going to Fashion Week.
Where's she doing
Tomorrow.
That? Just 'cause.
Wait.
Schwarzkopf's doing hair for 2 shows on Friday. One at 2 and one at 7. So she's doing hair for it. Oh. What?
I said when and you said tomorrow and I was going to say no, when did I ask?
She's so mean to me.
But you cut me off.
You're so mean to me.
Alright, I'm actually stuck in this fucking thing.
She can give it, but she can't take it.
What's 222?
Her number.
Yeah, but what does it mean? It's not her number.
It's on it. It is on her, so I think it is her.
Don't ask, I don't know.
We need Brittany. Brittany,
Yeah.
comment, what does it mean?
I actually don't know.
Bye.
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 Well, that's me for the day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.